Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new circle on Life360. In order to create a new circle in Life360, open up the Life360 app on your device first. Once you do that, on the home screen, go ahead and tap on the circle switcher button at the top, and then in the pop-up, click on Create a Circle. You'll be prompted to name your circle. Type down a name for your circle and tap on Save at the top right. Now, you will then be able to see an invitation code. Share this invitation code with the people you want in your circle. You can invite via phone number, email, or social media accounts. After you send the link to your friends and family members, they can join in by clicking the link. Once your invitations are sent and accepted, you will have a new circle where you and your loved ones can share location and receive notifications. And that's how you create a new circle on Life360. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like and share for more awesome tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.